Hi everyone, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can change your password in Crunchyroll account. Keep watching the video till the end. To change your password in Crunchyroll, firstly open your Crunchyroll application. The home page of Crunchyroll application will appear on the screen. Click on Account option at the bottom right corner of the screen. On the next page, tap on Change Password option. Enter your current password. Create a new password and confirm your new password by re-entering it and then click on Change Password. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. This is how you can change password in Crunchyroll application quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.